So as you can see, we have been manufacturing dampers for last almost 30-40 years, and there was a certain way of making dampers, and we have been expert in it. But the world has moved on, and we need to move ahead of it. And that is where what you see now is the vision, is where we, my CEO, my teams decided we'll do this. So what we see here is Factory 4.0, where everything is done automatically without, or not without, maybe minimal manpower. And that too only to monitor if the lines are moving smoothly. Everything is taken care by robots or sensors, and the quality is assured. Not only quality, the quantity. So what you see behind me is a line which gives an input of 30,000 dampers per month in a manpower which is probably half of what is required for a normal production line. So this is how we want to progress. And this is the past, the present, and the future is the same. The future, all lines will be the same. What you see behind me. So India, more or less, we supply to almost all customers. There are maybe 3 or 4 customers we are not able to crack as of now. With these lines, we should be able to crack them. That is the first most important agenda for us. Secondly, export customers in Europe and America, where the volumes are huge. These lines are going to help us achieve those goals. And as you can see, the capacity can be built within, so we have space now. So capacity can be built within 3 months with a firm PO. We can build capacities. So that is how we are going to go ahead from here now. Yes, the focus will be on both. The major part is already been done about a year back is R&D. So we have invested enough in R&D to enhance our design capabilities. Because when you talk about customers, they want lighter dampers with high performance. So you need to come up with different materials, different damping equipment, damping medium, and that is how R&D has been already done. And now this is the plant which will help us achieve those goals with high production, high precision assemblies. So we are already working on commercial vehicles. So the line behind you, if you can move the camera later on. So line behind you is going to be a high productive viscous capacity line, which is required for heavy duty commercial vehicles. So that also has been worked on. We'll work with, we are already in talks with some European customers for heavy duty engines for not only trucks, it could be gensets, it could be heavy duty marine applications. So we are already working on that. So those lines are also being planned apart from automotive sector. I cannot say everything on this, because then I will lose the edge whatever I am trying to achieve. But to answer you in short, there are tie-ups which have been made with various consultants and companies which are experts in these fields, which will enhance and help us, catapult our product to a different league, even better than what they have in Europe. And that is what has been, like we said, the vision is that. And that is always also been envisaged and trying to be achieved. Material, it could be material, it could be so the damping medium is rubber as of now. But we actually are thinking that why not rubber be replaced with something else that could change the dynamics. It could be more environmentally friendly. We are thinking about dampers with sensors, which will tell live data to the customer that how the damper is performing, hence the crankshaft is performing. So a lot of things are happening. It's going to take time. But yes, we are on the road to achieve that. Exports, we are at 30% right now, and domestic share of business is 70%. Yes, so within 2 years or a little more than maybe 3 years, we want to achieve 50-50 of both. So volume-wise, yes, passenger vehicles will be always dominating. But if you talk about price, then viscous dampers are much more expensive. So almost 2 times, 2.5 times, depends. What the Honorable Minister said, and that is one of the reasons why we came here to Dharwad, or we came here by accident when we acquired a foundry here, and then we thought why not put a plant here so that foundry is nearby and we can have, so there is a lot of skill power available here. The Honorable Minister said there are 7 colleges, there is ITI, there is IIT, so there is enough skill in the in this area, Dharwad, Hubli, Belgaum. We have enough pool of resources, so I'm very confident that manpower will never be a problem in Dharwad. Like I said, 98% of the workforce is in and around Dharwad. So these are a paradigm shift. It's a complete shift because there will be no engine. EVs coming up, there is no engine. So damper and 1,000 components like these are getting absolute. It's going to be a while it reaches to a level of that. But as R&D, we are investing a lot of time and money and talent. We are investing it to come up with products. Those will be required for these changing technologies. So it could be hydrogen fuel for that matter next. But idea is to grow and keep ourselves with the market. And our team of marketing, R&D have been clearly instructed that you need to keep ourselves on toes. That how do you shift yourself to become a person or a company with relevance to the technology which is available in the market. No, nothing in the next, because even like Europe and US is also quite behind. So India, fortunately or unfortunately, is even much behind. So it's still a while, but we are not going to underestimate the situation. We are going to grab the opportunity the moment it comes to us. So my target as of now is to see these lines totally functioning and fully at the peak capacity, because that happens, like I said in my speech, the idea is to create wealth. And creating wealth is going to take a little time maybe, because it takes time. Earning wealth is much more easy. So if you have these lines booked, then everybody, our customers, to our suppliers, to our employees, and ultimately the stakeholders always are going to be happy. So the goal is to establish these lines fully functional at full capacity. That is the only goal. Yeah, 2 years is a good enough timeline.